Igoti-inĩ rĩa Milimani nĩkuo minista wa ũgima wa mwĩrĩ Aden Duale ekinyĩtie kĩroko kĩa mũthĩ wa kerĩ ambĩkĩirwo cira wa gũthiĩ mũgarũ na itua rĩa igoti rĩa gwĩtĩkĩria mĩhang'o ya waki wa ceceni ya bũrũri wa Amerika ya gũtangĩkĩra arwaru a mũrimũ wa Ebola yako mwena wa Laikipia. Ũmũthĩ Duale akĩoneka kugo kwa ciugo ciake.
On Laikipia Abyss is one of the 23 quarantine isolation center we are building, and we will not stop it.
I will be the last person to disregard a court order. Will be the last person to violate any constitutional order given by any court. And I sincerely regret any action, omission, misunderstanding, or misinterpretation that may have resulted in a non-compliance with the order of this court.
Katiba Institute na arĩa nĩo marambĩkĩire Duale cira ũyũ mendekithĩtie ohwo mĩeri 15 atuĩke gĩthomo kũrĩ aruti a wĩra angĩ a thirikari arĩa magararaga watho wa igoti.
That 15 months of imprisonment, it was the necessary punishment. My lady, we submit that equally in this case, the condemned should be sentenced to 15 months imprisonment, and this is the sentence that can safeguard the rule of law.
Just take him as he is and made a very severe punishment.
Mwena-inĩ wake Duale ugĩte nĩ arĩkĩtie gũtĩĩa itua rĩa igoti na kũrũgamia mĩhang'o yothe ceceni-inĩ ĩyo, na nĩkĩo ekinyĩtie igoti-inĩ kuonania nĩ aratĩĩa watho warĩo.
Your ladyship, you don't see any combativeness in him today. It is an appreciation that he has abandoned the theater of politics and he has come to a temple of justice.
Akiheana matua make, mũcirithania Patricia Nyaundi augĩte nĩ oheire Duale na kũmũria mahĩtia mau matigecokere rĩngĩ.
I will accept the apology that has been tendered, especially as he has been categorical that he recognizes the authority of the court. On costs, I will not order him to pay costs in his personal or other capacity.
Maya makĩhanĩkaga kanjũ ya thikabu kanitha wa Gatoreki nĩ mamenereirie waki wa ceceni ĩyo ya Ebola Laikipia makiuga nĩ ũgwati kũrĩ bũrũri na mũingĩ na anyiti itemi nĩ magĩrĩire kũrio mawoni mao megiĩ waki ũcio ũrĩa ũrũgamĩtio nĩ igoti.
Considering the nature of Ebola disease and what it takes to contain it, government wisdom would have required a public engagement to build consensus on the necessity, if at all, of the facility. Lack of this engagement has led to loss of lives in Laikipia during the protests against the facility, the arrest of residents, and panic should Ebola break out in the area.
Geri for Trainoro TV, Jetago Jenga, Wawabui.